Okay, so this place was, I mean, lots of garbages from construction garbages, and Sinat, Nagla, and the big mama bear are helping. So far yesterday we packed that much garbage. So no more ICFs here. All ICFs are up there, and garbage. We packed all the garbage. I just want to point out I had a couple of comments on YouTube. Thank you for commenting on my YouTube channel. I can see it a little bit growing. My goal is to share my journey so that someday someone can also be ambitious and build their own house for their family. And I'm just showing that for someone like me, who's amateur, inexperienced, never done this house, never built a house before, is able to build a house with just a little bit of hard work. So the comment that I had about showing the skies and just the screen in here, like I don't have my own cameras. I use cell phones to video camera. I don't have the budget for it right now, but hopefully when my channel has enough support and it grows and I'll start to get more time by next year, I should have nice camera and I will videotape in different angle. So I apologize for my cameras being a little bit of not so good. And another thing we noticed is that my wife told me this place has a lot of construction garbage and people don't like to look at that. I ignored it because first of all I'm trying to catch up time, so that because I'm doing this after work and on a weekend, so that winter is not gonna come near to me, and so I'm focused on doing the work than the garbage here. So my wife, is coming to help me with cleaning up the garbage, and my two kids. So hopefully we'll finish the garbage today and it'll look much better to look at. I'm gonna take this to finish. So it's gonna be a lot of projects, and in my videos will keep improving, right? But until then, I apologize for some of the unpleasant views, but over time this place is gonna look nice when it finishes. Everything eventually, all this is gonna be nicer, right? What you see in the outside is not gonna be like that. My videos will also, my videos are not how to do, it's how to do things, and also sharing my journey and my experience on YouTube, so that others can replicate what I'm doing. But it's not exclusively how to. I'm not trying to teach anybody how to build a house, right? I'm just saying, look, I'm building a house. I don't have a knowledge. I don't have that much knowledge in building the house. I'm watching YouTube videos and reading a lot on internet. Then, based on my research, what I read, build a house, and I make a lot of research and study before I choose materials. What materials I choose, why I choose it. I have a reason why I chose the ICF. I could at some point go a little bit in detail about why I chose ICF, but ICF it's not in this video. But my point is, whenever they say I choose a window, I will explain why I chose a window, right? Why I chose this window specifically, and why the choice that I made is better than what they use out there, right? But right now we're just at the stage of just ICF, but it's going to be a lot more videos. Hopefully people will learn, and I will have a record to look back. in my life, right? So what I'm doing now is trying to make it a little nicer. So when I take these videos, it's all the garbage is. My wife told me people would like to see good things for their eyes, right? Garbage is not good. I know that. So I want to get rid of all the garbages. Today is October 22nd. We piled up all this. Already did 7 of them. 7 big heavy-duty garbage bags. My neighbor was I'm lucky enough to have such a great neighbor, Brad. He lent me the garbage bags, and he came a couple of times, helped me out with the garbages as well. That's the least he has done. He helped me out with many ideas. He's a carpenter. So yeah. So I'm using, it was last minute, said I had like a very simple garbage bag, and then he offered to give me the heavy duty ones. So I'm very grateful for that. So so I don't mean to blab a lot about anything else. Just want to show that we piled up these garbages, and I have some. So all my kids are busy. Sinat is doing something right there. Sinat, you don't want to be in the camera. She doesn't want to be in the camera. What is Nagla is also hiding. Nagla, how are you, my beautiful? So, all right. So thank you so much. It's much better than what it looked before. So thank you for watching my videos. Please support my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Rocky Rookie House. Rocky as in rock, because this house is on a rock. ROCKY. Rookie, ROOKIE house. That's my channel name. I post, whenever I videotape, I post this on my Facebook page. Well, I'm still building my Facebook page, but just my personal Facebook news feed. I have to do a lot more work on the social media, and I post this video as well on YouTube. So I'm asking for those of you guys who watch it on Facebook to support my YouTube channel. Subscribe there. I think I reached around 180 views. I think I have a lot to offer, and I feel so great about this house. I worked hard, and to see it from a concept into reality is an amazing feeling. And every time I drive by it, I drive by and I look from down the hill, because this is on a big, huge up cliff type looking bedrock. This is 2/3 of the land is a bedrock. So when I pass by from, I think somewhere there, and I look at it, it looks so beautiful, and that gives me a lot of good feelings. All right, there's a lot of challenge. For example, how the roof is gonna go is gonna be a huge challenge, and I think I will overcome it. I always think of solutions, and I eventually come up with solutions for all the problems that faced me. And there were many problems, and I came up with solutions. And if you look at my other videos, you will see some of the problems I came across and what solutions that I had. Okay, so thank you so much. Please subscribe, comment, and share. All right. Nagla, say ciao. No, say nicely ciao with excitement. Camera shy kids. Sinat, say ciao. Bye. Bye.